Hey guys, this is Henry again with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners here in Manassas, Virginia. About to freshen up this upholstery here. This upholstery is about 11 years old, and I'm pretty sure we can get it to where it's looking really, really good. First step, as always, we pre-vacuum here. Everything we do, we start with a pre-vacuum because it's really important that you just pick up all the soil and all debris, contaminant from the fibers before you start putting solution on it. It makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah, some companies don't do that, so just make sure that companies are following all the steps here. Yeah, this is pretty bad here, as you can see. Try to get a good angle at it. Yeah, let's see what we can do here, man. All we have to do is just apply the right chemistry and the right procedures, and I'm pretty sure it'll come out looking brilliant. All right, let's stand by. Right, this is Henry again with Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. We're just wrapping up this upholstery here. As you can see, there's a significant difference here. All the grease is out. And it looks real good. This should probably take about an hour, 2 hours to dry. And yeah, it looks really good. So yeah, we also do upholstery cleaning as well. Also area rug cleaning too as well. We do hand washing with that.